It's J. I-R-E-H-H-H-H-H. It's J. U-B-I-L-E-E-E-E. It's J. U-D-A-A-A-A-A. And we the J. Sisters. Sisters.
Up on site, don't let her get turned up. She might hit her for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets, cause I know that she gon' keep up. Ain't nothing come between us. That my main one, that my main one. Yeah, she up in here with me right now. I said that my main one, that my main one. Yeah, she know that she my ride all time. So all you haters looking, you can try me, cause I'm down for whatever when she fly beside. That my main one, that my main one. Yeah, we always be down for life. One of the baddest chicks in this club. One of the only girls that I love. Been down with her since day one. Ain't nobody break this up. But never fight over them boys. Playing with these dudes like toys. Vacay with me in Miami.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girls, you know. And we are
Girls, you
back. We back with another
video.
video. So today we're gonna be on Monkey, y'all. You feel me? Hold on, Monkey.
It's your girl, Judeo.
It's your John. And it's your girl, Jubilee. And today we're gonna be on Monkey. You know, jinxing people and stuff. And just being rude. Yeah.
No matter how we look on this thing, because we really don't care. At the end of the day, I'm not here to...
Okay, you guys, we finna start. We're going to put the clip on side of the screen as we're speaking. It might be up there. I got to learn how to do it, but it's gonna be up there. Yeah. So let's just go ahead.
She couldn't talk to us in a way that would motivate us to keep on.
Facts, don't come for my sister, period.
Yo, man.
Some might be nice, some might not be nice. Hello?
Boy, you got a big forehead.
How old you is?
What?
How old you is?
What's
Alright,
Bye.
bye. You
Bye.
can just age. Period. Bye.
Y'all, these people is rude and dumb. Like, what?
You get a monkey to be rude. I mean, they're all ugly to me.
Duh, because you got a whole boyfriend.
Right. Hello?
Hello?
Add time.
Don't add time.
You're not going to add time anyway.
We good. How are you
We
doing?
good. How you can have a conversation?
Say hey to our YouTube channel.
You knuckle dragon.
Bruh, I kind of don't want to add these people.
We can add
Hello?
what?
Okay, that was. Yo!
Add time.
I see your pink brown shot, baby. What's up, Instagram?
Add time.
Say hey to our YouTube channel. Say
You
hey to
had
our YouTube
time.
channel.
You had that time. Thanks.
Say hey
I
to our
don't know.
dang YouTube channel. I can dumb.
Dum da 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 dum da 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 dum.
Stupid.
Hello.
Yo,
How old you is?
19, what about y'all?
I'm grown.
I'm-
I'm 19 too.
I'm 16.
I'm 15. Say hey to our YouTube.
Hey, we catch them late.
Because y'all want
We need to tell them add time, or we need to add time. I'm gonna press the add time. Whole time. Hello? Annie, Android,
Whack Wi-Fi.
period. Pork.
Y'all wrong. Say it to our YouTube channel.
No, because he got the Android. He need to
Who
call
knows if
somebody.
they're gonna be on here?
Hello? Add time. So we can ask you a question.
At time, you acting
You
like
looking
you
drunk.
wrong.
Add time up.
Well, say hey.
How about you
say
shut
hey.
up? Shut up.
Say hey to
Shut
our
up.
YouTube channel.
Shut up.
Stop screaming.
He was pissing me
Y'all,
off.
hold on. Y'all, if y'all got on headphones,
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Turn y'all volume. Hello? Add time. Why you not speaking?
Say hey to our YouTube channel. Oh, shoot.
Hey,
Where you from?
I'm from Michigan.
Oh, you cute. How old you is?
Thank you. I'm 18.
Oh, you were olden.
How old are you guys?
I'm 16.
I'm 15. I'm 19.
That's what's up. What's your YouTube channel called?
Say it. Someone, you say it. Y'all dumb.
It's called the J Sisters.
But it's spelled with A's. And not
It's
S.
spelled with A's, right?
Yeah, it's spelled with A's.
It's SISTAAS.
I'm about to see on YouTube real fast.
Ain't nothing on there. You're not gonna find it because it's not up yet. It's finna be up.
Oh,
Just we gonna add you as a friend, and then we gonna tell you when it's up. Okay?
okay.
Alright.
Yeah, that's cool.
Well, you gotta add us as a friend. Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright.
you the first nice person we met.
Alright, cause these people rude out here.
Ugh.
Yeah, it be some
Your
weird people.
your snap on the thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Goodbye.
He was nice.
He was
and
nice.
Cute.
Once in a lifetime, we found somebody who's nice.
He was nice and
Cause
cute.
these
but he was
niggas,
like,
man, this is why.
Who is all these people adding me on
I
Snap?
don't get on Monkey.
Hello?
Cause I got a nigga.
Nigga.
I don't care.
Are you connected?
Who said you can't pets?
What?
What? Goodbye.
You really need
Goodbye.
to
You're acting
All
dumb.
yours. I was talking to you.
Jubilee, is my
See,
snap
this why I
on
don't
your
be on
thing?
Monkey. I got a whole man. These
Is
niggas
my
on
snap
me.
on your Monkey? Because
This is
people
why
keep
you
adding
don't
me
need
on
to find
Snap.
people on Monkey.
That's mine.
Hello?
Go to your DM. What's up?
Ad time.
Oh.
Yo, wait.
How old you is?
I'm 17.
Say hey to our YouTube channel.
What?
Say hey to our YouTube channel.
Stop talking at the same time.
Oh, what's up?
Where you from?
I'm from New Orleans.
Oh, I hear it now.
Where you from?
South Carolina. You cute.
I just know. Over.
Yo.
He's from South Carolina.
Oh my god.
Who you got
I'm dead. How old you is? You like a little boy.
My dude 13.
I knew it. He looked too little. Too little.
Too little, too late. But bye. Yeah.
We was gonna hang up anyway.
you
little boy.
Let's get
Little boy
cracked.
grown.
What's cracking? He throwing up gang signs looking at y'all niggas. Hello.
What's up?
How old you is?
There's 3 of y'all?
Yes, 3 of us. Ad time.
How old y'all is?
Everybody got the camera. I'm 21. 2. Where's the third one?
Right there.
It's 3. Oh, you barely in the camera.
Come in the camera. 3 of y'all.
How old y'all is first?
Jay got a boyfriend.
She got a
I got
boyfriend.
a whole boyfriend, so
How old y'all is? Though?
it's 2 of them and 2 of y'all.
And how he is?
18.
Oh, that's just 2 years. Never mind. I'm too young for you.
Hey, yo, add me though. Add me.
But say hey to our YouTube channel.
I'm gonna add y'all snap for real.
Okay.
You may pop up on our YouTube channel.
What y'all up to?
We're
Nothing.
recording a video for YouTube.
Oh, we out for?
You said what?
We out for?
South Carolina.
Oh, y'all in South Carolina right now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit, that's
What's the YouTube question?
It wasn't a question. We was
Yeah,
just
we
doing
don't have a
a
question.
YouTube. We was just doing a video.
Doing monkey on
Shit,
YouTube.
shit. I got a question for you too.
What's that?
Rate him 1 to 10.
Yeah.
I give you an 8.
Yeah, 7. I give you a 0. I got a nigga.
Now rate me 1 to 10.
You a 9.
You put 9 for real. I'll give you a 0. I got a nigga.
What you say?
I give you a 0 because I have a man.
Okay, cause
Oh, I like her. She faithful.
Okay.
Alright.
I feel you.
The only reason why I give you a 9 because you got them girls in your mouth.
You crazy.
So if I take my girls out, you a rate me?
You would be an 8. I'm just saying. The girls bumping
How you know how his teeth look? How do you know how his teeth look? What if he got the pearly
He about to
whites?
take him out. He about to take him out.
What if he got the pearly whites and he still get a 9 from you?
Alright, so rate me then.
Oh, you a 10. Now you took him out.
Oh, look at your smile. Y'all tweaking.
Yeah, I mean, I do have a good smell. I just like girls.
You got them straight, perfect white teeth, too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
So,
Add us on YouTube though.
Huh?
Add us on
Just
YouTube.
say bye.
Exactly. YouTube.
No, we gonna
I'll
tell
text
you
you
on
on Snap
Snap.
and tell you.
Alright, babe.
Alright.
Bruh. You was on that
Nothing.
joint too long.
Okay, like
That
look,
ain't gonna
look
be
at
a
the
clip
time.
by itself.
Alright.
Alright, this is the last person.
Oh.
Hello? 5 people might only get a chance. Hello?
We'll cut the ones out we don't that really didn't have a conversation.
Bye. Alright.
That was getting cut.
Why everybody got grills?
Okay.
No,
one
one
more.
more.
Stop it, girl.
Yeah, just do one more. Because somebody ain't going to be in it. And we don't
Like
care.
5 people not gonna be in it, but the people that added us gonna be in the video.
Definitely not you. I'm sorry. Okay, you got to end it.
End it, girl.
One more? Okay.
Come on. I ain't never been nice on Monkey, to be honest.
Wait, is this going to record the voices? Yeah. Because you know how Snapchat don't, I mean, you know how
It's-
FaceTime
hello?
don't do it?
I go go bitch. Go shut it down.
Hi.
Bye.
What's good with y'all? Where y'all from?
South
South
Carolina.
Carolina.
My man's from South Carolina.
Cool, that's what's
I ain't
up.
from South Carolina though.
True.
You sound like you
Yeah.
from Spartan.
Okay,
Bye.
y'all. So,
That what you sound like
in
from.
this video here. Don't forget to like
I'm here to see if
Comments.
their voices in the
and subscribe.
I hope their voices in
We'll
the
catch you guys in our next
Front row with me at the Grammy, I'm a man. She my hero for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets. Cause I know she gon' keep them. Ain't nothing come between us. That my main one, that my main one. Yeah, she up in here with me right now. I said that my main one, that my main one. Yeah, she know that she my ride or die. So all you haters looking, you can try me. Cause I'm down for whatever when she found me. That my main one, that my main one. Yeah, we always be down for life.
Oh, that's my man. Caught in